Imagine some truck engines still running strong after circling the Earth 20 times. Today, we're showcasing 20 ultra-durable engines that mechanics hope you never find out about. Wait until you see number 3. One owner drove it over 1.2 million miles. These engines simply refuse to quit. Starting at number 20 is the Chevrolet 4.3-liter Vortec V6, produced from 1985 to 2014. It powered trucks like the S10, Silverado 1500, and GMC Canyon. Derived from the 350 V8, it retained the same bore and valve train, offering cast-iron durability and mileage up to 290,000. In 1996, sequential fuel injection was added. Early models produced 200 horsepower and 260 pound-feet, while Cyclone and Typhoon variants reached 280 horsepower. Despite being phased out in 2014, it's still celebrated for its simplicity and strength. At number 19, Nissan's 5.6-liter V8 in the Titan Armada and Infiniti QX80 is a powerhouse. The VK56DE, from 2004 to 2010, made 317 horsepower, while the VK56VD, starting in 2011, increased output to 400 horsepower and 413 pound-feet. With direct injection and variable valve timing, it's efficient, durable, and capable of over 200,000 miles with proper care, making it ideal for heavy-duty use. Number 18 is Toyota's 3VZ V6, produced from 1988 to 1997, which powered the 4Runner, Hilux, and other pickups. With a cast-iron block, aluminum heads, and SOHC design, it produced 150 to 190 horsepower and 180 to 200 pound-feet of torque. Known to exceed 300,000 miles, and sometimes 500,000 with care, it's simple, reliable, fuel-efficient, and low-maintenance, making it one of Toyota's most dependable engines. Number 17 is the AMC 4.0-liter inline-six, the Jeep Cherokee XJ's workhorse from 1987 to 2001. Renowned for durability, it often surpasses 300,000 miles with minimal issues. Owners report smooth performance, strong low-end torque, and easy maintenance thanks to its simple design. One example reached 350,000 miles before major repairs, cementing its reputation as one of the best inline-six engines ever. Number 16 is the Ram Cummins 5.9-liter diesel, a legend powering Ram trucks from 1989 to 2007, the 12-valve from 1989 to 1998, and 24-valve from 2003 to 2007. Versions feature a balanced inline-six design, cast-iron block, and forged steel rods. With proper care, they easily exceed 300,000 miles, and Howard Clayton's 2000 Dodge Ram famously reached 2.6 million miles. It set the standard for diesel longevity, reliability, and performance. Number 15 is the Chevrolet 6.0-liter Vortec V8 powering Chevy and GMC trucks from 1999 to 2018. Producing around 360 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque, it handles light and heavy-duty work with ease. Its robust, small-block design allows for long-lasting durability and even modification to over 500 horsepower without sacrificing reliability. A 2006 Silverado 2500 HD with this engine earned a 4.88 out of 5 reliability rating from KBB, cementing its legendary status. Number 14 is Chevrolet's 5.3-liter V8 Ecotec, the Silverado 1500 and Sierra 1500 workhorse since 1999. Based on the small block design, it delivers 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torqueway with fuel-saving tech like active fuel management, direct injection, and variable valve timing. The L83, from 2015 to 2023, is widely considered the most reliable gas engine in any half-ton truck. Continuous refinements and awards for dependability have really solidified its reputation as a long-lasting, reliable engine. Number 13 is the Ford 4.6-liter modular V8 powering F-150s from 1997 to 2004 and again from 2009 to 2010. Built for durability over raw power, this engine commonly surpasses 300,000 miles, especially in Crown Victoria police interceptors. The cast-iron block, modular design, fuel injection, and coil-on-plug ignition all make it incredibly durable and super low maintenance. It actually won Ward's 10 Best Engines 12 times, which just goes to show that slow and steady really does win the race. Number 12 is the Ford 300 Inline-6, used in F-Series trucks from 1965 to 1996 Econoline vans and even early Broncos. Built like a tractor engine, it has a thick cast-iron block, 7 main bearings, and an OHV design. Known for its incredible low-end torque, it delivered pulling power at just 1,600 RPM and could easily surpass 300,000 miles, with some hitting 500,000 if properly cared for. It truly defined Ford toughness for more than 3 decades. Number 11 is the Nissan VQ40DE V6, produced from 2005 to 2012 for the Frontier and Titan. This compact 60-degree V6 made 261 horsepower and 281 pound-feet, featuring an aluminum block and heads, ladder frame structure, timing chain, and variable valve timing. It often exceeds 250,000 miles, and in some extreme cases, like a million-mile delivery truck, it really proves its durability. Smart engineering balanced power and efficiency, making it one of Nissan's toughest engines ever. Number 10 is the GMC Duramax 6.6-liter V8 turbo diesel, a heavy-duty legend that's been around since 2001 and is still in production today. It powers GMC Sierras and Chevy Silverado HD trucks, and these engines often surpass 500,000 miles. Built with an iron block for strength and aluminum heads to keep weight down, it uses 6 head bolts per cylinder to keep the heads sealed even under the most extreme conditions.